Today I will show you how to set up your domain email address in Gmail, and if you find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe. Now the first thing I'd like you to do is log into your Gmail account. Once you're logged into your Gmail account, I need you to ensure that under the Chrome application you have no other email logged in except for the particular Gmail account that you want to add your domain email to. Now once you have that, what you're going to do is you're going to go on the icon that displays that leads to the Google Apps. You're going to click on it and you're going to go to account. Now under account, what we want to do is we want to ensure that we have 2FA turned on. So you're going to turn on the two-step verification of your account. After that, you're going to go to the search bar at the top and you're going to type app passwords. Now this app password will only show if you have 2FA turned on. So you need to turn on your 2FA. You're going to go to app passwords, and here you're going to create a password for your app. So you can see I have Cloudflare Mail, so you're going to name it, and once you create it, you should be given a 16 letter password. Now you're going to copy this somewhere and you're going to go back to your application. So we're going to leave this right here. We're going to copy this, and we're going to go back to our email. Now we're going to click on settings. On the settings, you're going to go to see all settings, and you're going to go to accounts and imports. So you can see I already have some other emails, domain names set up here. Now from here, you're going to click on add another email address. And once this pop dialog box comes on, you're going to put in the name that you want to be displayed on the domain. So this is my default name on my actual account. So you're going to put the company, the domain name, the name that you want to appear on the domain name here. And you're going to put the email here. Click on next step. Now here, you're going to change this to smtp.gmail.com. And you're going to use the email that you just used to generate the password. This password, you're going to use this email here. And in here, you're going to paste in this password. So I'm going to delete this password after this video. But you're going to put that password here and you're going to click on add account. Now it says to confirm verification and email address. So you're going to close this window. So you're going to go into the confirmation email and you're going to click on this link to confirm that you want to add that email to your account. Now once you click on it, it's going to be confirmed and you click on confirm. Now that's how to set up your domain email address in Gmail, and if you find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.